Welcome! Today, we're exploring the top 5 investment strategies for beginners in 2024. These strategies will help align your investments with your financial goals and risk tolerance. First, consider index funds. These are mutual funds or exchange-traded funds, or ETFs, that track a specific index like the S&P 500. They offer broad market exposure, low costs, and automatic diversification, making them ideal for beginners. Next, we have ETFs. Similar to index funds, ETFs trade on stock exchanges like individual stocks. They provide flexibility, liquidity, and the ability to diversify with relatively low costs, catering to various investment preferences. Robo advisors are automated platforms that create and manage a diversified portfolio based on your risk tolerance and goals. They require minimal effort and typically have lower fees than traditional financial advisors, perfect for beginners. Dollar cost averaging involves investing a fixed amount regularly, regardless of market conditions. This reduces the impact of market volatility and lowers the average cost per share over time, building your portfolio gradually. Finally, diversification spreads investments across different asset classes like stocks, bonds, and real estate. This reduces the risk of poor-performing assets impacting your portfolio, ensuring more stable returns.